Susan, can you hear someone singing outside?
Singing? No, I can't hear anyone.
Listen,
Tom walks to the front window.
I can hear singing.
I still can't hear it.
I'll open the front door.
Tom opens the front door.
Hello?
The singing stops.
That's strange.
Can you hear it now?
No.
Close the door.
Tom closes the front door.
Listen.
I can hear it again.
Where is it coming from?
I don't know.
Let's look outside. Tom and Susan walk into the garden.
I think it is coming from next door.
Let's listen. The singing stops again.
Maybe our neighbour was singing.
I don't think so.
Why not?
I can't hear a voice.
You're right.
Listen.
There it is again.
It sounds very close.
Is it behind the fence?
Tom looks behind the fence.
Nobody is there.
Is it near the flowers?
Tom looks at the flowers. No,
Listen carefully.
it sounds different now.
Different.
Yes, it sounds higher.
Higher.
Look up, Susan.
We both look into the tree.
Oh,
What can you see?
a little bird.
Is it singing?
Yes,
Is it colourful?
yes. It has yellow and blue feathers.
It is beautiful.
So the bird is singing.
Not a person.
That's right.
The little bird sings again.
It has a lovely voice.
The bird flies to another branch.
It is still singing.
Tom smiles.
I'm happy we found the singer.
Me too.
I thought it was a person,
So did I.
but it was a little bird all the time.
Sometimes the smallest singer has the biggest voice.
Let's see how much you remember from today's story.
Listen carefully to each question.
Then answer out loud before we reveal the answer.
We will give a short pause after each question.
Please pause the video if you need more time. Question 1. What could Tom hear outside?
Answer: singing.
Question 2. Where did Tom and Susan go to look?
Answer: the garden.
Question 3. Where did Tom think the singing was coming from first?
Answer: next door.
Question 4. Where was the singing really coming from?
Answer: a little bird in a tree.
Question 5. What colour were the bird's feathers?
Answer: yellow and blue. Now, we are going to learn some important words and phrases from the story.
We will explain each one in simple English.
We will also give short example sentences.
Listen carefully to the word or phrase and repeat after us. 1. Sing.
Sing means to make music with your voice. Example: I like to sing. Example: the children are singing.
2. Outside.
Outside means not inside a building. Example: the children are playing outside. Example: it is warm outside.
3. Hear.
Hear means to notice a sound. Example: I can hear the birds. Example: can you hear the music?
4. Garden.
A garden is an area outside a house where people can grow plants or relax. Example: we are sitting in the garden. Example: the flowers are beautiful in the garden.
5. Tree.
A tree is a tall plant with a trunk and branches. Example: the bird is in the tree. Example: we sat under a tree.
6. Look up.
Look up means to move your eyes towards the sky or something above you. Example: look up at the stars. Example: Tom looked up and smiled.
7. Come from.
Come from means to begin or start in a place. Example: the music comes from the radio. Example: where does that sound come from?
8. Voice.
A voice is the sound a person or animal makes when speaking or singing. Example, she has a beautiful voice. Example, I can hear your voice.
9. Listen carefully.
Listen carefully means to pay close attention to what you hear. Example, please listen carefully. Example, listen carefully to the story.
10. Beautiful.
Beautiful means very nice to look at or hear. Example, it is a beautiful day. Example, the bird has a beautiful song. Now we are going to do some listen and repeat exercises.
After you hear the sentence, repeat it out loud. We will then ask you to repeat it one more time.
Try to copy our pronunciation, rhythm, and speed. We will include a short pause for each time you speak.
Let us practice together. 1. Can you hear someone singing outside?
Now repeat. Now repeat once more.
2. I can hear singing.
Now repeat. Now repeat once more.
3. Tom opens the front door.
Now repeat. Now repeat once more.
4. The singing stops.
Now repeat. Now repeat once more.
5. Tom and Susan walk into the garden.
Now repeat. Now repeat once more.
6. I think it is coming from next door.
Repeat. Now repeat once more.
7. Look up.
Now repeat. Now repeat once more.
8. A little bird is singing in the tree.
Now repeat. Now repeat once more.
9. The bird has yellow and blue feathers.
Now repeat. Now repeat once more.
10. Sometimes the smallest singer has the biggest voice.
Now repeat. Now repeat once more.
Now we are going to do some shadowing practice.
Listen carefully to each sentence, then repeat out loud exactly what you hear.
This time, try to copy our pronunciation, rhythm and intonation as closely as you can.
We will include a short pause after we speak each sentence. Please pause the video if you need more time. Don't worry if it is not perfect. Just do your best and have fun.
Sentence 1. Can you hear someone singing outside? Sentence 2. I can hear singing. Sentence 3. I think it is coming from next door. Sentence 4. Nobody is there. Sentence 5. Look up. Sentence 6. A little bird is singing in the tree. Sentence 7. I thought it was a person. Sentence 8. Sometimes the smallest singer has the biggest voice. Now it's your turn to speak.
Listen to the conversation.
Answer each question using your own voice and in your own words.
If you need some help, look at the prompt on your screen.
Question 1. What can you hear outside?
I can hear someone singing.
Question 2. Where do Tom and Susan go?
They go to the garden.
Question 3. Where does Tom think the singing is coming from?
He thinks it is coming from next door.
Question 4. Who is singing?
A little bird is singing.
Question 5. Is the bird beautiful?
Yes, it is.
Question 6. Where is the bird?
It is in the tree.
Question 7. Is Tom happy?
Yes, he is.
Question 8. What did Tom think at first?
He thought it was a person.
Thank you for joining us today.
We hope you enjoyed today's story and learned some useful English.
If you found today's story helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel and share it with a friend who is learning English.
Don't forget to check the description below for today's downloadable transcript and vocabulary notes.
You can also watch another one of our English stories by clicking the video at the bottom right of your screen.
Thank you for watching.
See you next time, folks!
Cheerio.